I got the ride-hailing app. So this is quite popular ride-hailing app in Saudi Arabia and Egypt, and soon in the rest of MENA region. So quite a lot of ratings, but again, it's not worldwide. It's not available in Europe or USA. I don't know whether it's in Dubai, but yeah, here you can just open it up. And then you just need to create an account with your phone number, just like that. So that's how you get started. So you need obviously to have Saudi Arabia or Egypt, Afghanistan, or oh no, so yeah, just not Afghanistan. So only Saudi Arabia and Egypt, that's where it's available. So yeah, that's just what it is. And then you can just go and create an account. You can also sign up as a driver. So most affordable ride trip in the kingdom, safety first, silent trip mode, simple customer friendly design, regular promotions and discounts. So there you have it.